Did not feel good. This entire deposition is going to be a disaster.
No, awful.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
There you go.
Thanks, Fred.
Day's burden.
Oh, my shoulders are heavy.
All right, see you later.
All right, thanks, Fred. Hi, Gary. You betcha, I'll be right in. Okay.
I don't care. I need those depositions for the briefings, and I need the numbers and the calculations too. And I would like them all in a binder, because those binders are really important for the meeting, and I need documents and Excel spreadsheets. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Come on, little BoBo.